Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves-Carney of Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 95 Stillwater Crescent, an executive 4-bedroom bungalow just steps away from the walking trail along the Woolastook River and down the road from Garden Creek Elementary School. Step inside to the open concept main floor, which seamlessly connects the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The kitchen features a large island with lots of cabinetry. From the dining area, you have access to the back deck, which overlooks a partially fenced backyard, and the property extends all the way to Woodstock Road. With a split design, this side of the home hosts the primary bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bath. And on this side of the home, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and the main bathroom. Let's head downstairs. The walkout basement features large windows, a 4th bedroom, a bathroom with laundry, and a large storage area. Some other notable features include an attached 2-car garage, a 4-stair heat pump, and a wired-in Generac generator. Thanks for watching. For more information on 95 Stillwater Crescent, visit Realtor.ca.